Very good morning, my dear student. So let's start with next set of MCQ. Here on screen MCQ number 136. Which one of the following cell organelle is enclosed by a single membrane? Okay, single membrane bound organelle question is about. Let's read the options: mitochondria, chloroplast, lysosomes and nuclei. Okay, mitochondria, if we are talking about double membrane, it is. Chloroplast, it is also double membrane. Lysosome, dear student, this lysosome is having only one membrane. Okay, so lysosome is enclosed by single membrane, so that will be our answer. Let's see fourth one, nuclei. Nucleus is also having double membrane. Okay, so mitochondria, chloroplast and nuclei are having double membrane except lysosome, which is single bounded membrane. So 136, answer number 3 is going to come. 137, lack of relaxation between successive stimuli in sustained muscle contraction is known as, this is what we mean by tetanus. Tetany we people have understood, right, in chapter muscle. Okay, so what options are given? Spasm. Spasm क्या है? It's an involuntary muscle contraction which occurs suddenly. Okay, fatigue. Fatigue results in decrease in muscle activity. What is tetanus? Tetanus is our sustained muscle contraction in response to successive stimuli. Am I clear? Yes. And what is tonus? Tonus क्या होता है? Tonus is nothing but muscle की activity कम होती है at rest. Okay, तो 137, answer number 3, tetanus is going to come. Question number 138, which of the following is not a stem modification? Okay, picture of Nepenthes. Picture of Nepenthes, dear student, is modification of leaf. It is not modification of stem. Okay, option number 2, thorns of citrus, tendrils of cucumber, flattened structure of opuntia, right? This all are modification of stem. With an exceptional case, picture of Nepenthes and one more, utricularia, है ना? That we people have also understood, bladder in utricularia, that is modification of leaf, है ना? So 138, answer number 1, picture of Nepenthes is going to come. Next question, 139, water soluble pigments found in plant cell vacuoles are. Okay, water soluble pigments specifically कहाँ पे पूछा है? Plant cell vacuole. Let's read the options: xanthophylls, chlorophylls, carotenoids and anthocyanin. Dear student, anthocyanin is actually water soluble pigment which is present in cell vacuole. So 139, answer number 4, anthocyanin is going to come. Next question, 140, select the correct statement. Gymnosperms are both homosporous and heterosporous. Wrong it is. Gymnosperms are always heterosporous, producing two type of spores, right? Megaspore and microspore, which are born in separately in male cone and female cone. We know this thing. Salvinia, ginkgo and pinus all are gymnosperm. nahi bhai, all are not gymnosperm. So option number 2 is also wrong. Sequoia is one of the tallest tree. Yes, we have understood this under your gymnosperms, right? Sequoia sempervirens is one of the tallest tree. So option number 3 sahi hai. Let's read option number 4. The leaves of gymnosperms are not well adapted to extremes of climate. No, they are well adapted to extreme of climate. है ना? The fourth statement is also wrong. Correct statement is asked. So 140, answer number 3, sequoia is one of the tallest tree is going to come. Okay. Question number 141. Which of the following is not required for any of techniques of DNA fingerprinting available at present? Okay, DNA fingerprinting में कौन सी टेक्निक यूज़ नहीं की जाती है at present? The question is about. Let's read the option. Polymerase chain reaction, ये यूज़ होता है. Zinc finger analysis, this is not used, dear students. Restriction enzyme, yes it is used. DNA hybridization, yes this technique is also used. Okay, so 141, answer number 2, zinc finger analysis is going to come. Let's look out question number 142. Which type of tissue correctly matches with its location? Okay, चलो कौन से है? फर्स्ट वन इज स्मूथ मसल वॉल ऑफ इंटेस्टाइन. यस, स्मूथ मसल्स आर प्रेजेंट इन वॉल ऑफ इंटेस्टाइन. तो 142 का आंसर 1 आ जाएगा. बट लेट्स सी अनदर ऑप्शंस टू. एरियोलार टिश्यू, टेंडन्स, है ना? नहीं, जो टेंडन्स होते हैं, राइट, व्हाट दिस आर हैविंग? टेंडन्स आर एक्चुअली दे आर हैविंग डेंस रेगुलर कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. एरियोलर टिश्यूज तो लूज कनेक्टिव टिश्यू है, एंड टेंडन्स में कैसी टिश्यू होती है? डेंस कनेक्टिव टिश्यू इज प्रेजेंट. सो ऑप्शन 2 इज रॉन्ग. Transitional epithelium, tip of nose. At tip of nose there will be presence of cartilage. So option number 3 is also wrong. Cuboidal epithelium, lining of stomach. Okay, lining of stomach basically have your columnar epithelium, not cuboidal epithelium. Okay, so option number 4 is also wrong. तो correctly matched with its location कौन सा ऑप्शन है? इट्स ऑप्शन नंबर 1, स्मूथ मसल वॉल ऑफ इंटेस्टाइन. सो 142 आंसर नंबर 1 is going to come. Let's look out question number 143. A plant in your garden avoids photorespiratory losses, has improved water use efficiency, shows higher rate of photosynthesis at high temperature, and has improved efficiency of nitrogen utilization. In which of the following physiological group would you assign this plant? Okay, photorespiratory loss नहीं हो रहा है, improved water efficiency, at higher temperature there is high rate of photosynthesis. So this is adaptation shown by C4 plants, my dear student. They are having Crane's anatomy, है ना? Let's look out the options which are given: C3, C4, CAM and nitrogen fixer. So what will be your answer? It is answer number 2, C4 plant. Okay, chalo. 144. Which of the following structure is homologous to the wings of a bird? Okay, dorsal fin of a shark, wing of a moth, hind limb of rabbit, flipper of whale. So what will be your answer? Homologous to wing of bird. Question evolution का है ये, तो that is flipper of whale. 144 answer number 4 is going to come. Okay, chalo let's look out 145. Which of the following characteristic feature always hold true for corresponding group of animal? Okay, your question belongs to your animal kingdom. Question belongs to animal kingdom. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन क्या है? कार्टिलेजिनस एंडोस्केलेटन कॉन्ड्रिक थाइस. यस, दिस इज ट्रू कि भाई जो कॉन्ड्रिक थाइज है दे आर ऑलवेज हैविंग कार्टिलेजिनस एंडोस्केलेटन विदाउट एनी एक्सेप्शनल केस. इसमें कोई एक्सेप्शनल केस नहीं है. चलो नेक्स्ट इज योर विविपैरस मैमेलिया. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, योर मैमल्स कैन बी विविपैरस, है ना? दे कैन बी ओविपैरस टू. तो ऑप्शन नंबर 2 डू नॉट ऑलवेज होल्ड true for all mammals. Okay, chalo option number 3 possesses a mouth with upper and lower jaw. Chordates. Dear student, if we are talking about chordates, the chordates can have jaw, right, or they cannot have jaw. They can be with jaws or without jaws. Chordates are there, so 3 is not the case. 3-chambered heart with 1 incompletely divided ventricle. Reptilia, dear student, reptilia में आता है आपका crocodile. This is the exceptional case and this have 4-chambered heart, है ना? क्या क्वेश्चन है? विच होल्ड्स ट्रू फॉर कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग ग्रुप ऑफ एनिमल्स, जिसमें कोई एक्सेप्शनल केस नहीं है. सो दैट इज आंसर नंबर 1, ऑप्शन नंबर 1, कार्टिलेजिनस एंडोस्केलेटन कॉन्ड्रिक थाइस. ओके, सो 145 आंसर नंबर 1 इज गोइंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 146. Which of the following statement is not true for cancer cells in relation to mutation? Okay, statement number 1, mutations in proto-oncogenes accelerate the cell cycle. True. Mutations destroy telomerase inhibitor. True it is. Mutation inactivate the cell control. Yes. Mutation inhibit production of telomerase. Okay dear student, option number 4 is not true for cancer cells in relation to mutation. कैंसर सेल्स जो होते हैं, बराबर, जो कैंसर्स है, बेसिकली कैंसर, दिस इज कॉज्ड ड्यू टू इंक्रीज टीलोमरेज एक्टिविटी. not by inhibition of telomerase production. Okay, so 146 answer number 4 is going to come. 147, the amino acid tryptophan is the precursor for synthesis of, okay, so that is melatonin and serotonin, right? So 147 answer number 1 is going to come. Thyroxine, triiodothyronine, these are iodine derivatives, estrogen, progesterone, right, cortisol and cortisone, स्टीरॉयडल हॉर्मोन्स, एस्ट्रोजन, प्रोजेस्टेरॉन, दे आर. अमाइनो एसिड डेरिवेटिव्स में कौन सा हार्मोन आता है? तो दैट इज मेलेटोनिन एंड सेरोटोनिन, राइट? सो 147 आंसर नंबर 1 इज गोइंग टू कम. 148, following are the two statements regarding origin of life. Okay, statement number 1, the earliest organisms that appeared on earth were non-green and presumably anaerobic. Yes, this is true. The first autotrophic organism were chemoautotroph that never released oxygen. Statement number 2 is also true. Dear student, ड्यूरिंग ओरिजिन ऑफ लाइफ है ना, बहुत पहले की बात है, देयर वेर नो ऑक्सीजन. इफ देर इज नो ऑक्सीजन, राइट, देर विल बी which mode of nutrition? Chemoautotrophic mode of nutrition. Am I clear? Okay, so statement 1 and statement 2 both are correct. Look out for the option, and there is option number 3. Both 1 and 2 are correct. So 148 answer number 3. 149, reduction in pH of blood will, if pH of blood will get decreased, what will happen? It decreases affinity of hemoglobin with oxygen. So 149, look out for the answer. 149 answer number 3 is going to come, right? 150, analogous structure are a result of, chalo bolo, analogous structure, analogy, that is your convergent evolution, right? So let's read the options: divergent, convergent, shared ancestry, stabilizing selection. So analogy is convergent evolution. So 150 answer number 2 is going to come. Question number 151, which of the following is restriction endonuclease? It's HIND2 है ना. तो 151 answer number 1, HIND2 is going to come. 152, the term ecosystem was coined by A.G. Tinsley. Direct question. So 152 answer number 2 is going to come. 153, which one of the following statement is wrong? Okay, sucrose is disaccharide. Yes, it is true. Sucrose is disaccharide which is having glucose and fructose. Cellulose is polysaccharide. Yes, this is also true. Uracil is pyrimidine. Yes, this is also true. और कौन से pyrimidine आते हैं आपके? It's your कौन से बोलो? A and G are your purines है ना. Cytosine, thymine and uracil are pyrimidine. Nitrogen base है ये. Glycine is sulfur containing amino acid. No, glycine do not contain sulfur, right? So statement is wrong. So 153 answer number 4, glycine is sulfur containing amino acid, is going to come. 154, in bryophytes and pteridophytes transport of male gamete required. चलो बोलो bryophytes pteridophytes में क्या चाहिए? It's water. Wind, insect, bird, water है ना. So what will be your answer? 154 answer number 4, water is going to come. 155, ये question again repeat हुआ है. When does growth rate of population following the logistic model equal 0? कब ये 0 होता है? The logistic model is given as dn upon dt is equal to rn 1 minus n upon k. चलो देखो options. When n by k is exactly 1. चलो n by k, अब जो फॉर्मूला दी गई है dn upon dt is equal to rn 1 minus n upon k. वैल्यूज पुट करो. n upon k is exactly 1. n upon k is exactly 1. तो 1 minus 1 क्या हो जाएगा? 0. 0 into rn क्या हो जाएगा? 0. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So 155 answer number 1, when n by k is exactly 1, is going to come. So 155 answer number 1. Okay.